came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Sakshi, were you in touch with Twisha in the run-up to her final days? What did you know about her relationship with her husband, Samarth, mother-in-law, Giribala Singh, and the distress that comes out in some of the messages that are in public domain? Did she share any of that with you?
So I had spoken to her last over the phone was in February, when she had called me to invite for her brother's wedding. And that was the time when we had a very long chat where I happened to also ask that, how is your Sasuma? How is your husband? How is your life going on? She had mentioned, it is all good, Sakshi. कभी फुर्सत में बताऊंगी अपने सासू माँ के बारे में भी. अभी मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकती. That time I thought that she is busy. She is inviting everybody. I didn't know that what she wanted to say. I also met her in March in her brother's wedding. She never told me anything like that. I even met Samarth, his mother, Giribala. Everybody seemed to be so nice. And I don't know whether it was just for a public thing or they were actually nice to her. Whatever the messages I have seen, I did call her in April also. She just mentioned about her father's illness because uncle had got a heart attack. So she spoke about that, and then she told me that I'll speak to you later. I called her after a few days. No answer. She used to talk to me a very limited period, which I never thought that this is the reason or if she is going through something. Because we all thought that it's just a new marriage and we should give her some space because you need that time. Because I also recently got married and I understand how the things goes in your in-laws' house and everything, and you're adjusting. You don't have so much time to indulge with your friends, talk too much. That is what I thought, that she's just giving time to her new married life. But I'm shattered right now what has happened to her.
I understand, Sakshi. Losing a friend and under these circumstances and not getting closure can be painful.
It is.
Did you ever feel that she had any psychiatric issues because her mother-in-law says she was on schizophrenic drugs that are given? You've known her for many years. What is your sense?
I've known her from last 14 years. Today, I realized that yes, I've completed more than a decade that I know her. And whatever Giribala has said, I disagree to this because 14 saal mein kabhi I did not feel that lady, that Twisha had any kind of illness or she had a dual personality. I'm sorry to say, she was such a beautiful person, such a sweet soul. She was, I don't understand. She was a person who used to do upasana. She used to go for meditation classes. And how can this kind of a person who does meditation and is such a jolly nature and can just, and she's saying that she has a dual personality? No, I disagree to that. This cannot be Twisha. I feel that in last 14 years, rather in last 33 years, her parents never felt that. And in last 5 months, that lady is saying that she had a personality. I feel that there was something wrong there, which made her mind so, she was such a strong girl, and her mind, they made it so weak. I don't think that she was even weak. She just, I don't know what just happened.